Today, we will show you how to thoroughly wash the exterior and interior of a vehicle. Remember that the whole procedure can be carried out using steam alone. To get better results and speed up process of steam car washing, we suggest to use high-quality biodegradable detergents manufactured in USA for Fortador. Start with washing of wheel and rims. Use machine function set on display, wet steam or steam with detergent. Next, wash the bodywork in the process of initial cleaning with machine-fed shampoo. Next, apply the exclusive polymer wax manufactured in USA for Fortador. Hot wax is fed from a machine. After applying the agent, polish the car till it's dry to make the wax polymer create a glossy surface. Having thoroughly polished the car, apply gel for tires and unvarnished elements of the car. The steam wash kit also contains special attachments for washing the chassis. We recommend to detail car interior with Fortador Volt S line. It is easy just to change the end of the nozzle for upholstery steam extractor hose. Make sure the vacuum cleaner hose does not scratch the door threshold or car boot. Remember that, in contrast to car upholstery, leather cannot be washed. Leather upholstery should be cleaned with special agents produced by Fortador. It is enough to apply them and then wipe the upholstery. And here is the effect. Ask your Fortador dealer about the starter set of detergents consisting of 12 elements. Set up your own business with Fortador steam washes. Visit us at www.fortador.com.